Hey everyone, it's Fun Fact Friday. I am here to talk about all the smells of Stress Away, okay? So we broke down what Stress Away was and why it works the way it works last Friday. But this Friday, I want to give you some recipes that you can diffuse in your diffuser because smells do amazing things for us. They trigger memories. They help us make new memories. And you know what? They also trigger responses within our bodies that most of the time are positive. You know, like example, if you smell Stress Away, it might make you feel relaxed and not as tense inside. Now that is something that the components within Stress Away, the essential oils, do, and it all happens through smelling. So I'm going to highlight one of my favorite diffusers as well, and that is the Desert Mist diffuser. It is a beautiful diffuser that is so easy to use, and it has in here, it changes colors and you just add the water in it. And it honestly just all around is an amazing diffuser, and I would take hundreds of these in my house. Okay, not really 100, but you know. All right, so let's talk about a couple blends now that you could use with Stress Away. So Stress Away is very unique in its smell because it has vanilla in it. So a lot of the diffuser recipes you'll see are going to revolve around food because it has that sweet component. So grab your Stress Away and let's see, you can mix it with lime. So this is like a tropical paradise. Stress Away already does have lime in it, but when you enhance it with a little bit more lime, it gives you that I'm away smell. Then you have Stress Away and Frankincense. So Frankincense we talked about has tons of benefits. If you missed frankincense, then go back and watch videos because frankincense is great for your brain. Then you have Stress Away. You put these two together and they are a dynamic duo. This is great to put on after work if you just need to unwind. You need your brain to slow down, right? Then you have Stress Away and Citrus Fresh. We'll go back to a more tropical concoction, and this is also a great add. Now, Citrus Fresh, again, does have lime in it because it's a blend, and so does Stress Away, so you get very tropical citrus smell and feel. Then you could add Stress Away and Lavender. This is a great put it on, unwind, get ready for bed blend, okay? Then you can do Stress Away and, Stress Away and Peppermint with Christmas Spirit, right? This is an amazing candy cane duo, or trio, sorry. So you have Peppermint and Christmas Spirit and Stress Away. Great, smells like candy canes, yummy, right? Then we have Stress Away and Lemongrass and Lemon. This smells like lemon bars. So lemongrass and lemon and Stress Away. Great concoction there. Then we have Stress Away, Citrus Fresh, Cinnamon Bark, and one of Cardmom, and that will give you a smell like cinnamon rolls. Then you can do Stress Away and Thieves and Lemon, and that gives you like an apple pie smell. So those are just a handful of different diffuser recipes you can use. I will type them up so that way you can know about how many drops and all of that, but so many things can go with Stress Away to help your house, your car smell amazing. Now, another thing that you could do is I showed you how to make a air freshener spray. You know, any of these recipes, make it as an air freshener. Great on the go, great in the bathroom. Again, great to freshen up your room and your couch and your bed. So, just another idea, diffuser or an air freshener. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye guys.